right. At the top of Carhog, heading towards a meeting with Verbal for a little spin. Now it's stopped. Snowing, hailing, raining. Just squeak past there.
Or 8 times enough. It's proper warm now.
It is, isn't it? I'll have to get going.
I know, yeah. Well, when we get to Clee Hill, it'll pee it down anyway, so...
At least we'll be able to see you coming.
Yeah.
You have to let me know how the wind noise is with my face shield up.
It was alright last week.
Was it?
Yeah.
Well, let's just do my mirror there. Moved it when I was cleaning the mirror. Blind spot mirror. Oops. You still there?
Yep.
I've got the old touch it with my shoulder pads again.
You got that worked out with the old Cristal Carrington.
Right then, okay with it.
When I was doing my test, I definitely found the slow speed stuff harder than the test on the road.
Yeah. Well, is it 60 mile an hour along here?
Yeah.
See, the thing is, where the bike comes in is when we get onto the single lane and you can just pop in and out of the cars.
Well,
it's safe.
That's where I have all my... That's what I enjoy the most. Is my most fun is between 40 and 60.
Yeah.
Not at 70 plus. It's no fun at all, I don't think.
No.
That's probably why the others call me Captain Slow. I don't care anyway.
Captain Consistency is what you want. So he's slowing down a bit now. I'm just going to pull out. Just go past.
In half a mile, at the roundabout, take the second exit onto Long
Pull back in.
A456.
Slow back down again. So I'm checking behind me as I'm approaching, be in the right gear, and if there's no other traffic about, apart from me and thee, I'll take the shortest line over the island.
Exit the roundabout onto Long Bank. Continue on A456 for 2 miles.
Say that again, just lost you.
You're able to take that much quicker than I am, whether that's just a confidence thing or what.
Yeah, probably is if you're not used to getting the lean.
Yeah, well.
I mean,
I was amazed last weekend how far you can lean that big beast over.
Yeah. It's a good set of tyres on it though, as well.
Yeah. Well, I think that's what did me. That's what really knocked my confidence, because the stock tyres on this bike, from new, were absolutely awful.
Yeah.
And thank God they completely squared off after 3,000 miles.
Crikey.
And when I took them to the tyre place, and he said, yeah, it's a Dunlop tyre, he said, but you can't even get that tyre in this country, it's just a cheap import. So I had some Metzler Road Tech 01s put on, and they just changed the bike. They really did change the bike.
Are they...
Especially in the wet.
Yeah. Oh, that's good. Are they dual compound or single compound?
Dual touring tyres.
Oh, good. Stop.
They weren't cheap. They weren't cheap. I could have got much cheaper tyres, but I just thought it's the only bit between you and the road, isn't it?
Yeah. No, you don't want to skimp on that.
Nah. We are lucky. We've got some nice roads on our doorstep, haven't we?
We have. Yeah.
I have tried in the past that when, you know, so it's all so easy when you think, oh, there's a good chance of showers today, even though it's sunny.
Yeah.
And you think, oh, I'm not going to go out then. So what I've tried to do last year was, I just thought I'd go anyway, and if it rains, it rains.
Yeah.
And it does help. The more you ride in bad weather, the more you realise if you ride properly, you're not, you know, it's not going to throw you off at every corner.
Nah. Look at that. Riding into a curtain. Yeah, we'll get up on the hill and make a good picture, that would.
Yeah, it will. I don't know whether that's just been or I think it's might miss us, hasn't it?
Yeah.
So I guess yours is bike, so what, 2003 is it?
Yeah.
So I think it doesn't have all the modern electronics.
No, I think it depends what you mean by modern
Well,
electronics.
traction control and all that.
No,
Riding.
it's got ABS,
Yeah.
but that's about it. Whereas turning's past it, isn't it? It's not here, is it? It's through the...
Yeah, it's a bit further on. Not much further though, I don't think.
Yeah.
In
I'm always
200
worried
yards,
somebody
turn
opening
left
their
onto
door.
Clee Vantage.
That's it there, I think. That right one there.
Okay.
I need to go up there.
Oh, alright.
Let's
I missed it, yeah.
turn around. Yeah.
Take the next left onto Clee Vantage, then you will arrive at your destination.
Okay, mate.
Head north on 3 crosses, then turn right to stay on 3 crosses. Turn right onto Tenbury Road, B4214. Take the next left to stay on Gold.
Have you gone the wrong way?
I don't know, it says private... Is it up that way?
I think it might be.
Yeah. It says private road. Is that the...
No vehicle access, it can't be up there then, it must be up this one.
Yeah.
Take the next right onto the Crescent.
It's been that long since I've
In
been...
150 yards, make a U-turn.
Oh, is it this one?
Make a U-turn.
Feel right?
I don't know.
Oh. Nah, this don't feel right, does it?
Nah.
If we go back down, go back the way we come and just go on that carpark on the left
Yeah.
as you go back.
I know it's a side road up here, but last time I came up here it was in the dark. I go down and that's that fella.
Or maybe, yeah, this don't feel like we should be going up here, does it?
No.
Oh shoot, I got it.
You do.
Let's see how much of an adventure bike it really is.
In 150
You just
yards,
put
turn
your
left
arse
onto
out.
Golden Cross Lane.
That was adventure. I went down the right pothole.
I'm just concentrating on trying not to drop it while I'm going. Back brake only, back brake only. Thank you.
Oh, there you go. You had a mini adventure.
Take the next left onto Golden
Well, there you
Cross
go.
Lane, then
That's
turn right onto Ludlow Road.
Which as off-roaders I've been on this bike.
Yeah, you don't see many pans doing that.
Oh, so you watched the off-roading video?
Yeah, that was
So
great.
you saw me hit the deck then?
Yes, I did. With a glamorous fall.
As I was going, the rut just got deeper and deeper. And once you're in it,
Turn right onto
you've got to
Ludlow
commit
Road.
to it. And
Yeah.
it just got
17, then turn left onto Clee
Vantage.
Hill.
Yeah, those troughs on the road, the footpath. That's it. Once you're in, your front wheels in.
Well, unfortunately, we all came off that day, but unfortunately, the trees had run
Take the
out
next
before
left onto Clee
the guys
Hill.
fell
Then
off.
you will arrive at your
Aiden's
destination.
was hilarious.
I did. Oh, I saw him lose it, like he did last
He was
weekend.
blowing through and nearly take his brother out.
On
Yeah, 'cause
Ludlow
he's-
Road
he,
for 3/4 of a
He
mile.
grabbed the throttle, didn't he?
Yeah, he hit a bump and grabbed the throttle and he just bumping.
Yeah. Right.
But later on, he did exactly the same, but he just went ploughing all through a load of ferns for about 100 yards. And then just gracefully disappeared into the undergrowth.
Brilliant.
This
In
looks more like
200
it,
yards,
correct?
turn right towards
Little
Dustin
bit more.
Lane.
I'm a little bit happier going up this one. I bet there's not many pans been up there on that other road.
No.
Take the next right towards Dustin Lane, then make a U-turn.
I'll have to turn this Google off. It keeps telling me to turn around.
Make a U-turn, then turn
Shut
left
up.
onto Dustin Lane.
Shut up.
Take the next left.
Google, shut up.
Okay, Google. No.
In 300 yards, make a U-turn.
Okay, Google.
In 300
No,
yards,
don't
turn
work.
left.
I ain't got touch screen gloves on, so I can't press the X.
Clee Hill Common.
Yeah, it's not for the hoity-toity.
Take the next left.
What's this?
And the intrepid explorers are still climbing.
Yeah.
Who says you
In
can't
200
off-road on a
yards, turn
pan-European?
right.
All 300 kilos of it, probably.
Yeah.
Take the next right,
It's a
then
gravel.
turn right.
So I'm going to come out when we get to the top. I can just feel it.
Continue on Dustin Lane for 3/4 of a mile.
No.
I've only lost the feeling in one finger.
Yeah, same here.
Hello.
Hello, you there?
Yeah, I was speaking to them walkers. I know you're there. I can see you right in front of me.
No, that was comedy timing because I did a shoulder check and the thing beeped.
Oh, my riding's been pants today. Oh. Call the horn. And not in a good way.
I was going to say, must be the pub. There are a fair few cars up here, aren't
I bet they're all sat in the cars, don't they?
there? Yeah. I think I'll change my gloves on the way back.
Oh, I wish I'd put my others in.
Oh, just careful.
And when we left my house, we were baking hot.
Yeah. How far should we go?
Wherever you like, mate.
That looks a bit potholey.
Yeah, it does, doesn't it, actually?
Yeah. I don't mind now.
Bit slippy as well.
It's alright, just keep your throttle in. throttle down, just use the tick over and just pull the clutch in and out.
Yeah.
Don't use the throttle. How about that?
Perfect.
Recording.
Let's turn this beast around, hopefully without dropping it.
Carefully does it. Watch your footing. Watch your footing. God, I bet that's hard to turn around, isn't it?
It's not, with the tyres inflated, it's okay. You know, your tyre pressures are down when you end up struggling. Right. That's it. You hear me okay?
Yep.
I'll just put my visor down. Oh.
I thought we were going to have a lovely sunny ride, you know.
Yeah.
Hasn't worked out that way.
No. Oh, here we go. Just adjust my power bank in my pocket. Oh.
If we get onto the road, something else on this.
Hey.
Stand up and have a little jiggle.
Right, here we go. Car coming.
Watch the shit in your tyres for a bit.
Yeah, hang on. Let's just pull in here a second. Oh, he's lit. And the gravel. Just use your engine braking.
Yeah, I've just wet feet slipped off the foot pegs.
Oh.
I took the thermal liners out my trousers as well. That was another good idea. I think it's warmer moving along.
Yeah. Oh, that's black.
Oh shit.
You still there? You there?
Yeah. That is, but that is, that doesn't look inviting, does it?
No, not at all. So puts it then on the right.
I've also got my dark visor on.
So I like about this Shark, you've got two visors.
Yeah. Quite often with the Showies, they don't do a sun visor.
Mm.
Because they want you to buy a dark visor as well, don't they?
Yeah.
So I'm choosing as my hobbies motorcycling and caravanning whilst it's snowing. I'm getting it wrong, aren't I?
Yeah. Yes, you're not the only one on the frickin' road.
Yeah, he was a bit.
Car coming. Potholes. Look at them. Nasty buggers there.
Oh, I think we're heading away from that nasty stuff. Maybe. Just seems to be following us.
Got the snow on the top of the mountains over there, look.
Yeah, yeah. Nice though, I need to look from over here.
Yeah.
I think when I have this serviced in a couple of months' time, I think there's too much play in my throttle.
It could well be, yeah.
Obviously, having it from new, maybe it's just sort of, now it's got a few miles under it,
Yes.
it's probably just stretched, yeah, look at it. Probably just stretched a little bit, hasn't it?
Yeah. Yeah, a bit gravelly there, that was.
Oh yeah.
I'm just about to give it a bit of beans around the bend then.
I would have thought a lot of this gravelly shit would have been washed away by now.
Yeah.
Couple of nice little curves there, weren't there?
Mm.
Oh, I need a pee!
It's going to take all the fun out of it.
Like a bladder, like a child.
I've forgotten how much petrol is, you know, because I've got an electric car.
Oh, have you? What you got?
A Leaf.
Oh, right, yeah. I suppose if...
What?
Hang on. I suppose as well, if you do 100 miles at the weekend on the pan, it's probably 3 weeks before you fill it up, isn't it?
It is. Again, the Leaf spoilt me going to work as well, because when it was crappy over winter,
Yeah.
you could go to work and back on one charge, which was good.
Right.
But the first
What's the range?
on the current Leaf that I've got, it's 40 kilowatts, so that's 100 and depends, 160, 65.
Wow, that's pretty good.
But it depends how you drive it, because it computes an average on your, you know, however you are with your right foot. So if you're just cruising backwards and forwards to Derby, the average goes up, so you get a bit more. Whereas if you're just blatting around town, it goes down, obviously.
That's only electric belief, isn't it?
Yeah, 100%.
So how long to take to charge from nothing to full?
From nothing to full, it depends what you use. On your home unit, it's you can have a 3 kilowatt charger or a 6 kilowatt charger. I've got 6 kilowatt, and that would take at least about 12 hours from zero. But it's always about. I've always got about 20% left.
Right.
So from 20% back to 100, it takes about 6 hours.
You ever felt limited by its range, or not really?
Not by its range, but by the infrastructure for charging.
Yeah.
The north-south corridor, London, Birmingham, that, no problem. Like following the motorway, absolutely no problem, but as soon as you get off the sticks, it's crap. Absolutely crap. You've got lots of units, but they're faulty. So if you leave it to chance and get there when you've got no charge, or very little, it happened to us once. It was very, what did I call it? Range anxiety.
Right.
And you're always worrying, whether you're going to make it to the next stop.
And that takes the fun out of it, I guess.
Oh, I see it as a challenge. So we went to Cornwall last year, Did
you?
Yeah, and charged once on the way down.
So you had an overnight stop somewhere, did you?
No, I just charged it up. We left at about 4 o'clock in the morning.
Yeah.
And got down to where I wanted to go, and then charged it up. Took about 40 minutes. So by the time you grab the cuppa,
okay,
it costs about £8 to charge it up with a rapid charger. That's 50 kilowatt charger.
Yeah. Well, it's the future, isn't it? We'll all be doing it soon. Yeah. But they have to get the infrastructure right.
Yeah, definitely. I mean, BP have got these ultra chargers now, which is halving, 20 minutes to charge the car up. But you have to watch how many times you charge, because it'll overheat the battery.
Yeah.
So we managed to charge twice on the way back from Cornwall. And the Eden project has got 3 chargers, but they're slow chargers.
Right.
And it's free for all, there's no booking system. And
right.
Then in Pineapple car park, about a mile from the actual place, there's an actual one that you pay.
I'm surprised commuting to Derby, because we had an office in Alfreton as well, which is just 10 miles north of Derby.
Yeah.
And I'm surprised that commuting for that length of time didn't put you off bikes forever.
No, because it was a different bit of style of riding. You got A roads, you got motorway, you got B roads.
Well, did you just go up the A42?
A38.
Sorry, I meant A38, yeah, straight up.
Yeah, you go as the crow flies. I tried lots of different routes and I hate this bend. Right in your blind spot, innit?
Yeah. And because I played hooker for too many years, my neck doesn't turn far enough. I have to turn my whole torso.
I found that when I lost a lot of weight, I could turn my head more in the car.
Yeah. You know, talk about riding in the rain. Obviously, you've got to watch the your braking distances. You've got to watch the manhole covers, newly painted lines, etc., etc.
Yeah.
But Other than that, are you still riding at the same pace?
Yeah.
Or are you are?
Yeah.
So you're still cornering the same and everything else?
Yeah, totally. But again, of course, you're adjusting the speed to the conditions of the road. So there'll be some times, like you say, when they'll have to slow it right down. But yeah, you just, especially after a heavy downpour, when you know the roads like this have been washed clean.
Clean, yeah.
You get, you know, I used to shit myself before I did the advanced.
Well, that's the stage I'm at now.
Yeah.
When you see a wet road, you immediately tense up and think, oh God.
Yeah. And like you did the right thing, changing your tyres, a good set of rubbers as well.
Yeah.
You're alright?
Yep, we're all there. We're alright.
I've been watching a lot of those Motourev.
Oh, Motorevers, yeah. I talk to him regularly. He always comments on our videos and I'll comment on his, you know.
Yeah.
And we've been trying to meet up for 6 months. But every time we plan something, you know, the old COVID takes over, so...
Yeah.
But they seem they're a decent bunch of lads, you know.
Yeah, you got lucky with that break in the COVID, didn't you? Lockdown to do that too.
Oh, bloody hell, yeah. They were very helpful to me, especially the main guy, Craig.
Yeah.
When we first started recording, he was very helpful with regards to editing software and cameras and stuff like that. He's very helpful.
Oh, right.
And he actually gave us a shout out on his channel, says go and support these new guys, give them some love and all that, you know.
Oh, that's nice. I've had none of that for my hunting videos.
It's warmer down here.
It is, isn't it?
I don't need a wee anymore. Oh, yeah, I do.
Have you had any lunch?
Sorry?
Did you have any Sunday lunch, or do you have a Sunday dinner?
Oh, no, we tend to have it like early evening.
Yeah.
Because otherwise, for us anyway, it just takes up too much time in the day when we could be doing other stuff.
Yeah.
I would prefer to eat at lunchtime, but it just takes too long, you know. I know what you've got for Sunday lunch. You've got lamb.
Yeah. I put it in, I browned it, and then put it in a water bath and left it in on low.
Lovely.
So it should be falling off the bone when we get back.
I don't know what I've got. I've got what I've given. But to be honest, there are not many Sundays where we don't have a roast.
Yeah. What was your...
50 mile an hour speed limit along here seems a little bit pedestrian, doesn't it?
Yeah. But I don't mind.
No, I don't mind it.
I don't mind for the fact that I ain't been out on these roads for a long time, so I don't know what state they're in.
Yeah. I'm actually feeling a warm sun on my back now.
Nice. Alright mate, see ya, take care.
Yeah, cheers Craig, take it easy. See you soon mate.
See you soon.
Ta-ra.